they are universal for everyone. So those three tips would be, first one is
I am with my friend रुद्राक्ष, my boy. तो रुद्राक्ष, मेरे को तो ऐसे एक सवाल करना है. तो जैसे कि बहुत सारे लोग इंटरव्यू में जैसे अच्छा फील नहीं करते, कॉन्फिडेंट फील नहीं करते, और जो तू है, हमारा भाई 2 बड़ी कंपनी उसके इंटरव्यू क्रैक कर चुका है, वो किसी रीज़न से अभी नहीं कर रहा है, जो कि बहुत अच्छी इंडस्ट्री में जैसे ऑटोमोबाइल और एविएशन की, जो कि डिस्क्लोज नहीं करते. तो तू 3 ऐसी चीज़ें क्या बता सकता है जिससे लोग अच्छा कॉन्फिडेंट फील करें?
okay, so mainly there are 3 things which I would like to share from my point of view. Those 3 things worked for me. Could be possible they might not work for you, but so those three tips would be, first one is be confident. If you are sitting in front of a recruiter and if they are asking you something, regardless of whether you know the answer or not, just be confident about it. Even if you don't know the answer, just be honest about it and tell them upfrontly that you don't know much about it, but at the same time try to answer as much as you can. Second tip would be, always carry a smile, because it worked for me well, specifically in my aviation interview. Could be possible they will try to put a kind of pressure on you by which you might get fumble, but the only aim for you should be not to get fumbled and not to get into that trap. Just carry that smile and just answer anything, even if it is not going well, even if it is not going in a way you have planned the interview to go in, but just carry a smile on your face. It definitely gives impact. The third and last tip would be, try to sound intellectual. Now by saying this, I don't mean just try to be over smart in front of them, but at the same time you should make them realize this thing, that if they will assign you any kind of work, you will give your 100% effort into it. So trying intellectual can work very well. So I think these 3 tips which I have given can help you very much if practiced well, and if you carry all these 3 things together and just show it comfortably and properly in front of the recruiter, so you might win the battle.
तो अगर फंबल कर गया तो उसको हैंडल कैसे करें? जैसे प्रेशर में आ जाता है ना व्यक्ति.
It's very common, it's very obvious कि हो सकता है आप फंबल हो जाओ, but I think then what works well is to be honest about it.
हाँ.
To just confront that, okay, I don't know much about it, but this whatever I have said was the best I knew. So I think then being humble and being polite can work well, because you already fucked up, right? Yeah. So then you just be polite about it, and then you just accept the mistake that, okay, I tried but I messed it up. So yeah, I think if the recruiter would be kind enough to just forgive this mistake of yours.
हाँ, तो
You're an inspiration for
भाई, तो ये तो बढ़िया ही चीज़ होगी.
ये तो बढ़िया है.
मैं कैसे एक वीडियो बना रहा हूँ जिसमें मैं जिन लोगों ने मतलब अच्छी कंपनीज का इंटरव्यू क्रैक कर रखा है ना, उनसे मैं क्वेश्चन कर रहा हूँ.
अच्छी कंपनी तो नहीं थी वो वैसे.
पर तूने ऑटोमोबाइल में भी तो एक,
हाँ ठीक है, बट फाइन,
अच्छा नाम तो बढ़िया ही है.
ठीक था, अच्छी कंपनी में तो देना है अभी.
हाँ, अभी नाम नहीं ले सकते, आगे जाके स्पॉन्सर करेगा.
हाँ सही बात है. मैं खुद नहीं जानता अभी क्या होगा वो.
ये भी आगे जाके वो मोटो व्लॉग करेगा तो
समथिंग लेट्स सी.
ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन.